Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Michael Williams here. This is a video. I want to show you a little bit how to use AI to help you improve some of your workflow for whatever organization you're using. And I happen to use Claude for my social media and also for my writing. It helps me write a lot better, right? And what I want to do is I have the Claude desktop app here, and I'm actually just going to load it over here. And let me see here. Let me load my Claude disk. I'm going to do a new chat right here. Let me share my window real quick and show you something that might help you out. Let me go here. Where is my split screen? I upgraded to OBS 32 and all of my features are gone, and I'm going to go back to 31.2 here shortly. Let me pick not this browser right here. That's here. Actually, let me go to studio mode and let me change this real quick to my other screen. Let me change it over here. Yeah, there we go. And we're good. So let me go back out of studio mode. Claude allows you to write some different things for your social media. So like if you need to create a social media post or different something like that, it allows you to be able to create, right? And necessarily sometimes I don't want it to create for me. I want it to help me create. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add an image, right? I'm going to upload a file that I just did yesterday for a church, for actually my church. We're having a health fair coming up. I need to find it real quick. Here we go. So I have 1,000 files in here. Let me see if I can find it real quick. I just created it yesterday. I thought I saw it. Actually, let me go to quick access. There we go. So I'm going to click this. I'm going to upload this file right here, right? And I'm on the free plan, so I'm not actually going to use a paid service. I'm going to say act as a social media manager and look at this flyer and try to create a few social media posts for updating let's say members of the church about this event. Please make each post about 100 words and make it friendly, right? So I'm going to ask Claude to take the flyer that I made, it has all information on it, and I want it to just create some social media posts for me because I've already created the flyer. Now you need to share it, but you need some verbiage to go with it. So I'm going to click plus, add the image, and then I'm going to hit send and see what comes up, right? What AI is going to do is going to look at the flyer that we've created. So it's going to give you several different media post options right here, right? So look at these right here. These are actually pretty good. It says, mark your calendars. Join us on Saturday, October 25th, 9 a.m. Community Health Fair. And here's an address. This is a free event packed with amazing resources, including health screens. So it gives you the whole information and the website. Here's number 2, benefits focus, right? Your health matters. The social media, the Bethesda Community Development Course here invites you to 9 a.m. to begin to get free health, right? So there's another one. Community, let's come together. There's community centered, right? Our health and wellness fair is just around the corner. Bam. Post 4, countdown style. 1 week away, right? Feel free to mix and match the elements and just the ones that fit your social media voice. That's a way you can use AI to help you generate content for your organization. I just happened to pick a church because I just did the flyer, but I just wanted to show you that you can take stuff that you've already created and have social media help you post this. So when you go ahead and post this and put this in a scheduler, it allows you to be able to actually free up some of your time, because writing is pretty hard. I can put what I want to say into words, but it may not come out the best, and I just use AI to help me do that. Now, because I had already made the flyer, we worked on this flyer for a couple of months now, and it's the finalized version. That's the flyer I came up with. So the words are there, but I just need a little help organizing it. So I think that's one way that you can use the social media post to actually help you. And actually, let's go to Gemini. Right, and I'm using free ones because I want people to understand that maybe you might get a different viewpoint. Let's go up here. I'm gonna upload file. I'm gonna upload the same file. Let's go to quick access, see if it's there. Health fair, here we go. So I'm gonna do the same. I'm actually gonna let me go back to Claude real quick and copy the exact same prompt, right? So let's see how Gemini does on this and paste it in there. And we'll see what Gemini comes up. Now I'm on Gemini Pro, but obviously Gemini Free will work as well. So it will take the flyer, we'll try to read it and analyze it, and it'll refine social media strategy, and it'll give us another set of posts that we can use. Hopefully it comes out, it gives you a little bit of different option, right? So this is Gemini thinks a little longer than Claude does. I think Claude's a better writer. I use them both, and here, of course, here's a few friendly remainder with main announcement. Hello, Bethesda family. Mark your calendars for an event that's celebrating health and community. We're so excited. Bam, bam. This is a wonderful opportunity, and I can make this a little bigger because I'm actually in the internet browser so you can see. There's one, gives you hashtags, highlight the services, use this flyer or perhaps a photo, previous church event. Are you looking to take the next step in your wellness journey? I like this one. It's a good question. Blessed to partner with mating providers, provide some vital services for you and your community. Great. Focus on food, fun, and fellowship. Get ready for food, fun, and fellowship. Community, health resources. We want to make it. I like the third one. I like the first one the best. I like actually the second one the best right here. Get ready. So you can try this with ChatGPT. You can try this with Claude. You can try this with Grok. You can try this with which other ones out there most people use? Well, those are the main ones that you can try it with Meta. You can actually try it with Facebook and Instagram. Now have some of them. Instagram does have a generate captions button, but hey, that's one way that you can use to actually have AI help you post some social media. Take some assets you already created, throw them in there, and see how it helps you out. It's Michael Williams. This is your digital assistant. Thank you for watching. God bless.